Fresh air and fond memories served daily, as is the slogan for the Centennial State of Colorado. All this can be found in Aspen's very own 350 Eagle Park Drive. A bricolage that combines both modernism with an appreciation to nature and world-renowned architect Horatio Ravazzani's only North American project. 350 Eagle Park Drive is a jewel hidden away from wandering eyes. 15.14 acres with a 4-car garage, over 300 tons of imported stone and boulder, and over 3 years of construction. Total privacy and unmatched beauty makes this home unique, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Accompanying me on this expedition is none other than Senior Design Architect and Design Leader Jim Keogh of Charles Cunniff Architects. Jim is both an outdoor enthusiast and an avid designer of public and residential mountainside homes, and I'm very honored to hear what he has to say about this great estate.
Wow, this place is a modern masterpiece. Truly one of a kind.
The contrast of wood with 17-inch concrete walls encapsulate the majesty within. Take a look at that chandelier. It's grand, it's majestic. You can imagine a family estate, a home for hosting special events. The possibilities are limitless.
It's true, Ravazzani took advantage of the open floor plan, the building flows. It's a work of art. The rustic nature being brought inside in this space is amazing. Just look, an all-glass pyramid solarium. That's over 25,000 pounds of glass. 2,000 yards of concrete contrasts with 225 pounds of Iroko wood. Wood, stone, bronze, materials from the outdoors. And then you see the sophisticated designs, intricate details like the bold Moroccan tile and the French paneling crafted by the furniture artist Andre Dubray. There is so much texture and use of light within the home. You feel a oneness with nature.
But you're not actually camping. You're living in the middle of a modern luxury estate here in Aspen.
Exactly. Wow, incredible. The true definition of a mountainside home.
Right. You have the atmosphere of Aspen snowmass ruggedness and adventure right out your back door. And that's what's so special about this home. You have so many different outdoor activities year-round. Downhill and cross-country skiing, biking, outdoor excursions, and then of course, you're close to the city of Aspen, about 5 miles, where you have shopping and dining for weekend getaways. Then 3 miles from the airport. The home is perfectly situated in a private community, but you're so close to anything you would need.
What's great is Ravazzani designed the home to include 8 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and 2 half baths, so you're given a lot of vantage points.
And of course, you don't have to leave the home to find unlimited activities. 350 Eagle Park Drive offers so many unique amenities for the new owner. 15 acres, including an additional 11-acre lot. Whether you're looking for a family residence or a corporate retreat, the possibilities are limitless. Take a look at this room. 8 angles. I've never seen anything like it. It really opens up your creative side. It's a vacation home with non-stop fun. Unlimited amenities at your disposal. A home that welcomes the outside in while giving a modern twist. What an opportunity to become one with nature. I think you really have to visit conciergeauctions.com to have a complete understanding of how to take advantage of this opportunity.